Hey everyone, welcome back for another car wash video. Feels like it's been a while. I apologize for that, but life has been extremely busy. I'm in Oakville, Ontario today, on the corner of 3rd Line and Spears Road at an Esso station. And this is, I think, another one of those choice washes. So once again, I always have a tough time going here and not getting both washes, so I did. I got the touchless and the touch washes here with a fill-up. I don't know if it matters or not if you get gas or not. I did get gas, and with taxes, the wash came to $18.07, so $15.99 a wash. So like $36 for 2 washes. But a little pricey for the wash and that, especially with a gas fill up on that. There's a full-size pickup truck in there right now getting washed. I think he chose the touch. I'm going to do the touchless first. The van is fairly dirty. The camera's not going to really pick it up, but I got a lot of bugs and stuff like that on the windshield, and it's a little dirty on the outside. But after I do the touchless and go through, I'll get out and have a look, and then we'll see if the touch, if there's any dirt still on the vehicle after the touchless, we'll see if the touch one gets rid of it. So anyways, actually, before we go through too, I'm going to mention, it was a quick little conversation in one of my videos in the comments about going through a touchless wash on a motorcycle. Something I've been thinking about doing, and so far a couple of the people that were commenting were saying for me not to do it. But for everyone else that's watching this, let me know in the comments below what you think. Is that something you'd like to see me do or not? But thought I'd put it out there. Okay, let me just figure out which one. Okay, so enter code.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Touch enter when finished.
8559 enter.
Please select one of the following options.
Alright, we're going to do the touch free to start.
Please. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Wow. And in case you haven't noticed already, I'm driving the big cargo van today, and that is awfully tight between these two. I don't think I can do it without hitting them. Wow, that's tight. Well, I am clearing it. Oh, no, I touched the one a little bit. Okay. Get up on that plate. There we go. Alright. Wow, I don't know if for me to do a touch if this'll clear the van or not. I asked the lady inside, I said, will this system clear my van? But the full size, well, usually these cargo vans are a little bit taller than a full size pickup, but yeah, we'll see. The touchless I'm not concerned about. It's with the brushes. The sprayers at the back, you can see the arm going up and down. I don't know if the camera can pick up the actual the pre-soak, but it stops about a quarter of the way up the window. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so it sprayed it when it was reaching the top. So, did 2 passes and decent coverage considering the size of the vehicle it's trying to do. Oh, now we're doing the tri-foam. Tri-foam, and I hear something spraying along the bottom at the sides. Wow, that has a very strong, look how colorful that is. And it even did the back window a bit. Strong smell to it. It smells actually quite nice. So yeah, when that tri-foam was going across, it was actually spraying like kind of like the rocker guards down towards the bottom. And there's no way the audio is gonna pick it up and give it justice, but wow, is that loud. Like really, really loud. I mean, combination of the van being so big, so these jets are like really close to the vehicle, and plus in a cargo van there's no insulation in the back part, so it's just like a hollow shell, so really echoed in here. Really cool watching that arm move around those sprayers. The dryers. Tell me to drive ahead. Oh man, that bump is incredible. I don't expect the dryers to do all that great of a job. I'm so the van is so tall. I mean, the dryers only reach halfway or 3/4 of the way up, but we'll see once I get out. You get about 60 seconds of dryer time. Okay. Get rid of that. Let's get out and have a look. Actually, well, yeah, and you can see here, let me go on a, see if you can pick it up on an angle. From about here down is where it dried, and then there's water from that way up. So again, because the truck is so big, and yeah, you can, well, the back, still lots of stuff on the very back of it. Didn't clean the back all that great with some blue trifoam soap or what. Oh wow, look at all the soap up along the top. Oh jeez, it's like they painted my van blue. Oh jeez, running all down the sides. Oh, that looks horrible. Okay, well, driver's side looks really good. Passenger side's a nightmare. There's blue soap all down and on that one side. Wow. Okay, well, I'm glad I'm going through another one. So stay tuned for part 2 of this this video. I'll upload it right after the first one's uploaded. So I'm gonna split it into 2 videos, but I'm gonna upload one right after the other, so you won't have long to wait in between. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and be sure to watch the next one. We'll see if that touch wash does a better job and doesn't leave the blue soap in that, because really that's about the only thing I can complain about. The dryers, I mean, I expect that. A lot of the bugs in that were on my windshield are gone, so the touchless did do a great job there. Just the blue, that trifoam soap in that it left. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll talk on the next video. We'll check out the touch system. All right, thanks. Bye everyone.